Nashville's rental market continues to soften as demand declines and supply continues to rise. New units come to market daily to compete against existing units. And fewer renters, not zero, but fewer, seek to move during colder months. It's time to make your rental unit such a good deal that a prospective renter would feel like an idiot to pass it up. You can do this through incentives or lowering the rent, but do not lower your standards to fill a vacancy. Many landlords reduce rent-to-income ratios, credit scores, or deposits. I'm not a fan of these tactics until it's necessary or, in the case of deposits, only if the rental unit is difficult to damage. Your mileage may vary and harsh times call for drastic measures. I won't blame you for making a difficult call. But consider these options before making a decision that will haunt you or risk expensive damage to your investment. 1. Ensure your rent is appropriate for the area and the market. An agent can help. So can Rentometer and Zillow, but be aware that algorithms are generally lagging. 2. Adjust your monthly rent price so you show up in more searches. Example: a condo priced at $2,000 will often show up in more searches than one at $1,999 because of how searches are grouped. We're not pricing bread here. 3. Offer to pay move-in, elevator, or application fees. While appreciable, these fees are generally less than a full month of rent. 4. Before offering a month of free rent, try a few $100s off the first 3 to 6 months. If you don't get any bites, increase the amount, the months, or both. While 1 and 2 help to get clicks on your listing, 3 and 4 get attention after someone clicks your ad. Don't forget to consider additional income opportunities like providing a washer and dryer or allowing pets for a monthly fee during this time too. Even $50 a month for pet rent plus a $350 non-refundable pet fee ends up being $950 in the first year, then $600 each year thereafter. Finally, remember that this isn't forever. When the market settles, you can raise your rents. Much like Schooner Tuna from the 1983 film Mr. Mom, when this crisis is over, we will go back to our regular prices. As I like to say, an empty unit gathers no rent, so do what you have to do now knowing you can improve at a later date when conditions are more favorable. Follow me on LinkedIn for more posts about finding, funding, and successfully self-managing cash-flowing rental properties. I'm Stephen Parker, and I'll see you next time.